everybody. If you've been waiting for me to shoot a short assembly video, this is the one. It's a end panel cabinet. It's not even a cabinet, it's an end panel. You'd use it at the end of dishwashers, that kind of thing. I'm gonna quickly assemble this. It's one step. And once I have it assembled, I can talk a little more about where you might use this thing. So you're gonna get two pieces. One is the panel itself, and one is a filler strip with the grooves in it. So all we have to do to assemble this is run our customary bead of glue on both shoulders. Nice and easy. Actually, I kind of missed a little spot there, so I'm gonna put a little more right in there. And then, still don't like that. And then you can grab it with your hand. This panel will come either 1/2 inch thick as this one is, or if you want to do a flush end, the thicker 3/4, 11/16 plywood, you can get it that way as well. Comes automatically with matching specie inside and outside, so it really doesn't matter how you attach this. Would matter more if it was a flush end. Just line up the groove, line up the top and bottom, tap it on, and you're done. Okay, you just want to make sure, and I don't really have that lined up. You want to make sure top of the filler and the top of the panel are lined up perfectly. So there I am. And I can tap on this because it's unfinished. So that's it. Okay, so let's talk about some uses for this end panel. The two primary ones that have historically been the way these are used is for a dishwasher end of run. So let's flip this and say, if this was my dishwasher opening here, and I had a run of cabinets coming down this way, my dishwasher's at the end of the run. Obviously, I got to carry the countertop out past the dishwasher. This is the way to do that and give you a finished look. So dishwasher end panel, DWEP, that's where that comes from. We also have historically used them for refrigerators. Now we have a refrigerator enclosure cabinet where your refrigerator slides into an opening and the end panels are part of the bridge cabinet. That's the preferred way to do it, but every now and then, actually pretty commonly, we have customers who have a refrigerator cabinet, or a refrigerator height rather, that is pretty close to the ceiling. They want the top of that cabinet to be an inch from, say, a 96-inch ceiling. The top of the cabinet's at 95. If you do it as a refrigerator enclosure, you cannot tip that cabinet up. That's a place where we would do just a bridge cabinet and then sandwich that bridge cabinet between two tall refrigerator end panels, say 95-inch high versions of this. Those are your two primary uses for these panels. There's some oddball ones your cabinet coach may help you with. Sometimes at the end of not the end of, but the back of a seating area on an island, you can use dishwasher end panels, and this would be the outer face, and then in here you would put your door panel, and this would be your seating area in here. And you can yoke some blocking, yoke a door panel in the back, so it would look kind of like that. And then you have a nice seating area with your door panel or your finished plywood in there. Typically, we would use a base filler column for that as well, so this isn't always the best use of a dishwasher end panel, but you can get creative with these. There's some oddball uses we've seen for these. So if you have any questions, give your cabinet coach a call, 888-211-6482, and I'm sure they'll guide you on when the best time to use this versus something else. One other use I want to talk about real quick. You have a dishwasher here, and then I have a run of cabinets going off this way, and I've got to push that dishwasher off this main run of cabinets. I wouldn't want to use this dishwasher panel this way with the dishwasher here like I described earlier. I'd probably flip this and then screw this through the front frame of the adjacent cabinet. I'd screw it in there, and then my dishwasher is going up against this nice panel. So again, another use you can think of to push that dishwasher off of the adjacent cabinets and still have it paneled off. So lots of good ways to use these. Again, give us a call, 888-211-6482, and our cabinet coaches can help you out. Thanks for watching.